So if you have a small green crab like this and you're thinking there's not much body meat, that's true. But here's one of the things you can do to get the maximum amount of meat out of it. I'll take the gills out. All right, you see I'm using a paring knife right here to pull them out. You just heard my dog shaking around. I'm gonna also get the mouth part out like that. Now if you wanted to, you could eat some of these innards, and I can see the some egg right there. That's the orange stuff. I'm not going to. I'm actually going to pull this out. I might set it aside like that, but I'm going to keep pulling that gut out. So this is what you do. You cut it in half. And even for these small ones, again, as long as you have a paring knife, you can get it right here, right in the front where the big claw is. There's meat right behind each one of these legs. So you're going to use the paring knife carefully to cut it back like that. You're going to cut it back, keep going down the body. Here's the final one. There you go. So all this stuff right here, that's meat behind each one of these legs. And that's pretty easy actually to chew out with just the tips of your teeth or your front teeth, and you have this meat right here. And that's just from a really small green crab. So there's plenty of ways to eat these things. Now you might be eating a couple dozen of these, but you know what? Nice sunny afternoon in August, you got a couple of beers and some friends. It's not bad. Throw a little bit of Old Bay seasoning on it, some butter to dip it into, and it's a really good meal. So that is how I prepare even small green crabs if I want to eat the meat.